What if I told you that some of the world's most luxurious SUVs quietly outlast even the toughest Toyotas? And billionaires have been driving them to oblivion without anyone noticing. Stick around, because number 5 will shatter everything you thought you knew about reliability. Most people think luxury means fragile. That premium leather comes with premium problems. That once the warranty's up, you're just driving a ticking time bomb wrapped in walnut veneer. But here's the truth. There's a hidden tier of luxury SUVs, quietly chosen by CEOs, oil tycoons, and old money elites, that don't just look expensive, they last. I'm talking 300,000 miles or more without breaking a sweat. These aren't the loud, flashy names you see in Super Bowl commercials. These are the whisper-quiet beasts you spot behind the gates of Palm Beach or in Swiss mountain estates. Vehicles built with surgical precision, military-grade durability, and engineering most people will never understand. And the kicker? Most luxury car buyers overlook them, fooled by badge prestige or internet hearsay. In this video, we're pulling back the velvet curtain to reveal 7 luxury SUVs that billionaires use as their bulletproof daily drivers. Vehicles that secretly outlive their rivals year after year. And trust me, the one at number 5? It was engineered for war but designed for red carpets. Lexus LX 570, the silent samurai. This isn't just Toyota luxury. This is Land Cruiser DNA wrapped in Japanese silk. The Lexus LX 570 has quietly become the ultimate sleeper SUV among ultra-wealthy families who value longevity over flash. Underneath its refined body lies the same bulletproof platform as the Toyota Land Cruiser, one of the most trusted off-road platforms in the world. What makes the LX 570 outlast almost every other luxury SUV? For starters, a 5.7L naturally aspirated V8, solid axle durability, and hydraulic suspension that doesn't try to be smarter than physics. It's not chasing trends, it's chasing forever. Billionaires in Dubai, Beverly Hills, and Kazakhstan all know this is the SUV you buy when you never want to buy another SUV again. But if you think the Lexus is just a desert king, wait until you see what Europe's aristocrats are secretly driving at number 2. Mercedes-Benz G-Class G550, the icon that won't die. It looks like a tank, drives like a yacht, and lives longer than some marriages. The Mercedes G550, often dismissed as a fashion statement, is actually one of the most durable luxury SUVs ever built, especially the older, naturally aspirated V8 models before 2020. Born from military engineering in the 1970s, the G-Wagon was designed to survive in war zones. Over time, Mercedes wrapped it in luxury, but beneath the Napa leather and Burmester sound systems, it's still a ladder-frame beast with locking differentials and one of the toughest drivetrains in the game. So why do billionaires still swear by it? Because it doesn't age, it evolves. Its reliability doesn't depend on software gimmicks, it depends on proven German steel. And get this, the resale value goes up if maintained properly. Try saying that about a Range Rover. Coming up next, an Italian-badged SUV that lasts longer than German rivals. And barely anyone talks about it. Maserati Levante Trofeo, the Italian survivor. Wait, Maserati? Reliable? Sounds like an oxymoron until you dig into the Trofeo. The Levante Trofeo, launched in 2018, has quietly proven itself as the outlier in Maserati's drama-filled reliability history. It runs a Ferrari-derived 3.8L twin-turbo V8, hand-assembled in Maranello, but here's the twist. It's tuned for longevity, not just thrills. Unlike most luxury performance SUVs, the Trofeo doesn't rely on overly complicated electronics or air suspensions that collapse overnight. Its robust ZF 8-speed transmission and mechanical AWD make it a dark horse among luxury dailies. Insiders say European aristocrats choose the Trofeo for one simple reason. It's exotic without being fragile. Think the Italians surprised you? Wait till you see what the South Koreans have cooked up at number 4. Genesis GV80, Korea's quiet knockout. South Korea was once the underdog of the luxury game. Not anymore. Enter the Genesis GV80, a premium SUV so well engineered, it's become the unofficial vehicle of diplomats, CEOs, and K-drama stars who know better. What makes the GV80 a long-haul legend? It's the engineering integrity beneath the flash. From its high-tensile steel chassis to its optional 3.5L twin-turbo V6 tuned for balance rather than burnout, the GV80 is built with meticulous restraint. And unlike many German rivals that demand frequent, costly maintenance, the GV80 boasts one of the lowest long-term ownership costs in the luxury segment. Add in its 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, and you have an SUV that's clearly designed to go the distance, and then some. Up next, an American SUV so rugged and regal, even oil barons keep one on standby in their garage? Lincoln Navigator L, America's rolling fortress. The Lincoln Navigator L isn't just big, it's deliberate. A full-sized luxury SUV built for those who think German refinement is overrated and durability is non-negotiable. Beneath the chrome lies a 3.5L twin-turbo EcoBoost V6, mated to a 10-speed automatic that Ford developed to handle commercial-grade stress, and it shows. From oil execs in Texas to royal entourages in the Middle East, the Navigator L is prized for one thing: reliability and scale. It hauls, tows, cruises, and rarely complains. Its truck-based platform is shared with the Ford Expedition, which consistently logs over 300,000 miles in the wild. But Lincoln adds the luxury cherry on top: massaging seats, panoramic roof, active noise control, without making the mechanics overly complex. The Navigator is proof that luxury can be built on a foundation of utility, something many automakers forget. But our next entry? It's British. And you won't believe it actually survives 300,000 miles. Range Rover L322, 2006-2012, the reborn outlier. We know what you're thinking. Range Rover? Reliable? Stay with me. While newer models are infamous for their quirks, the L322 generation Range Rover, particularly those produced between 2006 and 2012, stand as an engineering anomaly. A British luxury tank that, if maintained properly, keeps going. Here's why. This generation featured BMW's proven M62 and Jaguar-sourced AJ V8 engines, both known for long life when paired with preventive care. Combine that with a steel monocoque chassis and straightforward electronics for a Range Rover, and you get the brand's most enduring SUV. In fact, several enthusiast forums report these models hitting 300,000 plus miles, still retaining value due to classic styling and enduring build quality. Billionaires who know their history and have the right mechanics swear by the L322. It's the last analog king in a digital empire. And now, for the ultimate sleeper SUV, a Japanese masterpiece so rare, most people don't even know it exists. Toyota Land Cruiser. Heritage Edition, the untouchable Titan. No list of long-lasting luxury SUVs is complete without the Toyota Land Cruiser, but the Heritage Edition is something else entirely. Built to commemorate over 60 years of Land Cruiser dominance, this special trim removes the fluff. No third row, no flashy chrome, just pure overbuilt engineering with a classic touch. Under the hood, the same 5.7L I-Force V8 used in Tundras that tow cross-country. Inside, old-school Toyota luxury that won't betray you with touchscreen tantrums or flaky sensors. The Heritage Edition is revered in circles where reliability isn't optional. It's law. From African expeditions to Arctic research convoys, this SUV just won't quit. And get this, resale value often increases after 100,000 miles. Why? Because buyers know that's when the Land Cruiser really starts proving itself. It's the SUV version of a Rolex Submariner, respected, timeless, and built to outlive you. So what have we learned? That luxury doesn't always mean fragile. That behind the private gates and quiet roads of the elite, there's a fleet of SUVs running strong past 200,000, 250,000, even 300,000 miles. These aren't just status symbols, they're long-haul legends. Machines built with obsessive engineering, restrained design, and the kind of mechanical humility that puts tech-laden rivals to shame. From Lexus to Land Cruiser, Genesis to Maserati, these 7 SUVs prove one simple truth. The best luxury is the kind that lasts. So next time someone tells you that luxury cars can't last, point them here. Because real power isn't loud, it's enduring. And sometimes the most powerful machine are the ones no one's talking about. Which one of these surprised you the most? Drop it in the comments. We read everyone. And if you want more high-end car insights that go way beyond the brochures, hit that subscribe button. You don't want to miss our next deep dive. 5 luxury sedans that defy depreciation, the Millionaire's Daily Driver Guide. Thanks for watching, and remember, sometimes the smartest Fleck night is still running strong at 300,000 miles.